Good morning. Today we can see the measurements. Okay. So first we can see in the first session we are going to see the measurements of length. So measure means what we can measure um, any objects, like what are the measurements we are using to measure the length of an object. We will use the units of length. Okay. What are the units of length? That is to measure the distance of two cities or to measure the length of some objects. We will use the units of length. So the what are the different units of length? We have kilometer. So to measure the long distances, like two cities, how many distances are there between these two cities, or how long we traveled from one state to another, like that, these long distances we will use kilometer. So after the kilometer comes hectometer. So I am for you, like according to your grades, how much you want to study, it depends. Okay, but I am teaching all the all those units of length. So hectometer will come after that. For next we will use decameter. Actually, after decameter we will use meter. Then comes decimeter, then centimeter and millimeter. Okay, so the most important one and frequently we will use are kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. Okay, for in the school levels I am telling. So here kilometer, as you see, it is the longest unit. Okay, so they will ask you the largest unit of length is kilometer. So the questions will come as such: the largest unit of length, or the question will come as to measure long distances or larger units. What unit we will use? We will use kilometer. Like that, the questions will come and you can answer like that. So, what will be the answer for this question then? Smallest unit of length, or to measure the small objects. Okay, measure the small objects like the tip of a pencil and all. How will you measure? We can use millimeter. So it is the smallest unit of length. Okay, I need to measure the height of a building. So what unit I can use? We can use meter. The unit we are using is meter. We will represent in meter. Okay, so these type of questions will be coming for your exam, like how, which unit you will use for each object to measure. So this type of questions you want to study. Now how will you measure and what are the conversions? First of all, we can see how will you measure using a ruler. Okay, so let's see one ruler. Okay, I will show you one worksheet so that you are able to measure using that. Okay, can you see? Here there is a picture of a caterpillar. So, how will you measure the length of the caterpillar? It is measured in centimeter, right? The unit they have mentioned as centimeter. So, first in the ruler, you need to check where is the starting point. Here the starting point is from 0, right? So, what is the ending point? So, that will be the measure of the caterpillar. Here in this the bigger line is denoting as 0, 1, 2, like that. So that is 1 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, like that it goes. And between small lines, that will be coming as 0 0.1, 0 0.2, then this will be, this bigger one will be 0 0.5, like that it will mention. 0.5, this biggest one. So this will be coming as, here the caterpillar actually ends this point, that is 9. So 9 centimeter is the measure of the length of the caterpillar. So what about this toy car? We need to start measuring from here. So from the 0 only, here it is 3. So 3 centimeter is the measure of the length of the car. So like that, using the ruler, you are able to measure. Let's see one another questions. Okay. In such a way that here or in these questions, how it comes, everything started with from the 0. The rulers, they have measuring from the 0 only it is pointing. But in some cases, if it is not measuring from 0, starting from 0, how it is coming? Let's